How to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting automatically on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to stop your Wi-Fi from dropping and keep your connection stable. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Let me show you. From there, click on Network and Internet on the left side menu. At this point, click on Wi-Fi and then click on your connected network. In the next step, make sure Connect Automatically is toggled on so your PC reconnects to this network automatically if it drops. From there, go back to Network and Internet and click on Advanced Network Settings. At this stage, click on More Network Adapter Options to open the Classic Network Connections panel. Let me show you. Following this, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and click on Properties. Once done, click on Configure to open the adapter settings. From there, click on the Power Management tab at the top. At this stage, uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and click on OK. Following this, this prevents Windows from cutting your Wi-Fi connection to save battery, which is a common cause of automatic disconnections. From here, let me show you another fix. Click on the Start menu and search for Device Manager, and open it. At this point, expand the Network Adapter section and find your Wi-Fi adapter. From there, right-click on it and click on Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest driver. Finally, press and hold the power button or click on the Start menu and select Restart. Once your PC is back on, check if the Wi-Fi is staying connected without dropping. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Wi-Fi disconnecting on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.